Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a very beautiful pen stand. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need sturdy cardboard, some lovely decorative paper, and a reliable adhesive. Don't forget your cutting tools, like a sharp pair of scissors or a craft knife, and a ruler for precise measurements. Also, have some fun embellishments ready, such as beads, ribbons, or glitter, to add your unique personal touch. Getting everything prepared makes the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build the core structure. Begin by carefully cutting your cardboard into the necessary shapes for the base and the four sides. Precision here is key for a well-proportioned stand. Once cut, apply a generous amount of strong adhesive to securely join these pieces, forming a robust frame. Make sure all connections are firm. For extra durability, reinforce every edge with an additional layer of glue, ensuring your pen stand will last for a long time. This is where your creativity truly shines. Take your chosen decorative paper or fabric and carefully cover the entire cardboard structure, ensuring a smooth, wrinkle-free finish. Now, it's time to add those special touches. You can use colorful ribbons, sparkling beads, or even paint intricate designs to enhance its beauty. Feel free to personalize your pen stand with a unique pattern, a monogram, or anything that reflects your style, making it truly one of a kind. To ensure your beautiful pen stand withstands daily use, consider applying a protective sealant or a clear varnish. This will give it a durable, long-lasting finish and protect your decorative work. After applying, it's crucial to allow ample drying time, typically around 24 hours, before you start using it. Once completely dry, you can proudly organize all your pens and pencils in your magnificent, handmade creation, enjoying your organized and beautiful workspace.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.